Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove objects on a video in Canva. Select your video and just size it up. And then I'll just take a screenshot real quick. Oh, actually, let me just copy and paste it to this page. And I actually want to, should I download it or should I screenshot this? I'll actually just screenshot it. Place it here first. Just place it on a separate area. Go to edit and then go to Magic Eraser and select the object you want to remove. I'm just going to select this cactus that I want to remove here, and I'll just select erase. Okay, it's not the best. Let me try clicking it instead of, there we go. Hopefully it will do better this time. It's because I think there's like a shadow here, but like it's gonna work a little bit better if like there's, I mean, it's alright. Let's just pretend that it's been removed. Copy and paste it to the video here and make sure you've aligned it perfectly. So just adjust the opacity, and then I'm just going to like mask it here. It's not the perfect fit, as you can like tell, but you can kind of like adjust it a little bit better than me. It's because there's a shadow in it. If you want to, you can just take a portion of like the video that's like a similar color and do that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.